Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, do you remember in the last lesson what we have learned? Yes, correct. In the last lesson we have learned some means of communication and means of transports. So which are the means of communications? Yes, television, mobile phone, telephone, computer, radio and newspaper. These are the means of communication. Through these we get information. Okay, and what is meant by communication? The exchange of information is known as communication. Afterwards we have seen some means of transport. In that we have seen airways, waterways and roadways. Correct. This much we have learned in last lesson, that is in lesson number 9, far and near. So today also we are going to learn one more new lesson. But before that, children, tell me, have you ever heard about our solar system? Or do you know anything about solar system? What's there in our solar system? No. It's okay. Now listen. In our solar system, or our solar system is made up of the sun. Some planets are there in our solar system. Some asteroids are there and some comets are there. But do you know which planets are there in our solar system? Yes, I think few students know the names of those planets and few students don't know. But don't mind, I will show you our solar system. Just everybody look at to the board. Okay? Okay, children. Now look at to the board. This is our solar system. In our solar system, the sun is there, means the sun is main in our solar system, and some planets are also there which rotate around sun. See, which are the planets in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets in our solar system. You can see here also. See, sun is there in our solar system. Next, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. But before, in our solar system, Pluto was also there, but it is now not considering in solar system. Why? Because it is now it is considering as a dwarf planet. So these are the planets in our solar system. Can you see Saturn? Around Saturn there is ring, and around Uranus also one ring is there around that planet. But children, can you tell me now which planet do we live on? Here are some planets in our solar system. From this planet, can you tell me which planet do we live on? Yes, correct. We live on the planet the Earth. So children, today we are going to learn lesson number 10, that is the earth and the sky. Okay? So everyone open your book, open lesson number 10, the earth and the sky. Yes children, see, we are going to learn lesson number 10, that is the earth and the sky. We all live on the planet the earth. Now see what is given in warm-up session. Look at the sky. Is it a sunny day or are there clouds in the sky? Afterwards, you go out of your home and just look at to the sky and observe the sky. See whether it is a sunny day or a cloudy day. Means see there clouds are there or no. Can you describe a sunny day and a cloudy day in 3 sentences? Can you describe cloudy day and sunny day? I think already you have learnt it. in UKG class, correct? About weather, means how is the weather in cloudy day and how is the weather in sunny day. So you can tell me. Yes, tell me, when the day is cloudy, how the sky look, how the climate is, how the weather is. Yes, correct. Means when the day is cloudy, the sky is not clear, the sky is not blue. So you can write here, sky is not blue. Everyone write with me, sky is not blue. When the day is cloudy, you can't see the sky blue. Yes. Next, there are clouds in the sky. Correct. Right here. There are clouds in the sky. You can see so many clouds in the sky when the day is cloudy. Next, can you tell me one more sentence about cloudy day? Yes, very good. It tells us, what does it tell? If clouds are there in the sky, what does it tell us to? Yes, it tells us that the rain is on the way. Means if you see black clouds in the sky, that time you can say now it will rain after some time. Correct? These are the 3 sentences about cloudy days. Means like this you can describe cloudy day. Next, now see sunny day. How can you describe sunny day? Can you tell me? When the day is cloudy, sky is not clear, means it is not blue. Then if the day is sunny, then how is the sky? Yes, very good. Sky is blue. Sky is blue. Next, you can write the sun shines brightly. When the day is sunny, sun shines very brightly in the sky. Correct? Next, what you can write? Yes, children can go for swimming. Yes, why? Because sunny day is a very hot day and during that day children can go for swimming. Like this you can describe sunny day and cloudy day. You can write these sentences, otherwise you can write your own sentences. Okay? Now next, see children, what we are going to learn in this lesson? Earth and its landforms. There are different landforms on the earth. Next, sun, moon and stars. We will learn about this. Next, clouds and rains. Okay. Now listen children. Earth. We live on the planet Earth. As I told you before while introducing the lesson that we all live on the planet Earth. It is round in shape and covered with land and water. There is more water than land on the earth. The earth is home to plants, animals and people. Now children, look, I will show you the globe of earth. See children, can you see? This is the globe of earth. What is this? Globe of earth. Can you see the shape? Yes, it is round in shape and we all live on the planet earth. This is our earth. It is round in shape. Okay, and the earth revolves around the sun. अर्थ क्या करती है? सन के मीन्स बाजू में घूमती है. इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. ओके, नाउ बैक टू वर्क. See children, on which planet do we live? Yes, we live on the planet Earth and the shape of Earth is round like a ball and covered with land and water. The surface of Earth is covered with land and water. But children, listen, there is more water than land on the Earth. Most of the Earth's surface is covered with water than land. Means near about 71% of the earth surface is covered with water and the remaining part of the earth surface is covered with land. See children, what I told you just now, 71% of the earth surface is covered with water and the remaining part means 21% of the earth surface is covered with land. Remember this, but it is not important for you. Just remember. Next, the earth is home to planets, animals and people. Our earth is home for all animals, plants and people. Children, do you know what our little scientists say? Listen, the earth is the only planet on which life is known to exist. From our solar system, means in our solar system there are 8 planets, but the earth is the only planet on which living things are there. Now all of you come to the next page. Now listen, the sky is the open space above the earth. On a clear day, the sky is blue and the sun shines brightly. Listen one more time. The sky is the open space above the earth. If you look up from an open ground, you can see the sky. On a clear day, the sky is blue. When the day is clear, that time you can see blue sky and the sun shines brightly. Means the sun rays are very bright during the sunny day or a clear day. Okay, now next see sun. We will learn about sun. See children, I told you that sun is the main part of our solar system. We see the sun in the day. Only in the day we can see the sun. The sun is large, bright ball in the sky. The sun is a star. Listen children, sun is a star. It's not a planet. Planet revolves around the sun. And what is the sun? Sun is a star. Sun has its own light, but remember planet don't have their own light. Sun को उसका खुद का light means प्रकाश बोलते हैं. सन को उसका क्या होता है? सूर्याला स्वतःचा प्रकाश असतो. ओके, सन इज अ स्टार. It looks smaller than its actual size because it is very far away. If you look up from an open ground at the sun, it looks very small. Why? Because from ground the sun is very far away. Actually its size is very big. It is so big. But from Earth's surface it looks very small. Why? It is far away from us. That's why it looks smaller than its actual size, because it is very far away. The sun gives us light and heat. We get light and heat from the sun, means the sun is the main source of light and heat. Plants, animals and people need sun. All living things, sunlight. All living things need sunlight, means plants and animals, they need sunlight, as well as people also need sunlight. Plants, why do they need sunlight? They need sunlight to make their own food, means with the help of sunlight plants prepare their own food. Now next, the sun rises every morning, it sets every evening. When we have no sunlight after the sun sets, it is night then. It is cool in the morning, it becomes hot at noon. Listen children, the sun rises every morning and sun rises to the east. Which direction it rises? The sun rises in the east, and every morning it rises. Next, it sets every evening. The sun rises in the morning in the east and it sets in the evening in west. Listen, it rises early in the morning to east and sets in west. These are directions: east, west, north, south. These are four main directions. We have no sunlight after the sun sets. When sun sets, that time it becomes dark and dark. It means it is night. When the sun sets, it starts to become dark, means it is night then. It is cool in the morning, it becomes hot in the noon. Why do we feel cool in the morning? Because sun rays are very light, means sun does not shine very brightly in the morning. That's why we feel cool. But in the afternoon, sun shines very brightly. Sun rays are very hot. That's why we feel hot at noon. Is that clear? Where does the sun rises? Sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Means it rises in the every morning and it sets every evening. Is that clear? Shall we go ahead? Okay. Now see, moon and stars. Look at the sky at night. There are thousands of tiny lights in the sky. If you will see sky at night, you can see thousands of tiny lights in the sky. But when? In the afternoon or at night? Yes, at night. These are stars that twinkle in the sky. We also see the moon in the sky at night. Like the sun, the stars and the moon are also very far from us. Remember children, see, there are thousands of tiny lights in the sky. If you will see sky at night, you can see thousands of tiny lights in the sky and that light twinkles. What do we call to those tiny lights? Those tiny lights are stars. As I told you before that the sun is also star means stars have their own light. Is that clear? Next, they twinkle in the sky. Stars twinkles in the sky at night. We also see the moon in the sky at night. We see stars as well as moon in the sky only at night, not in the afternoon. We see the sun in the sky at afternoon. Okay? Sun हमें कब दिखाई देता है? In the afternoon, and moon and stars at night. Next, like the sun, the stars and the moon are also very far from us. The sun is very far away from us, as well as the moon and the stars are also very far away from us. That's why they looks very small than their actual size. Now next, see, look at the sky at night every day. Does the moon always have a round shape? Have you ever observed sky at night every day? And have you observed the shape of moon? Does it look round every day? No, it does not look round every day. The moon changes its shape. Means daily it changes its shape. Okay? Now come to the next page. Turn the page. Okay. Now see children. On the land there are mountains, rivers, valleys, forests and plains. These are landforms. Which are the landforms? Mountains, rivers, valleys, forests and plains. These are the forms of land. So now see what are valleys, rivers, forests and plains. Listen. Valleys are low areas of land between hills or mountains. They are of low areas. Where do we find? We find valleys between hills and mountains. Means hills and mountains are very high than valleys. Valleys are of low areas. Next, see, mountains are very high hills. What are mountains? Mountains are very high hill. Next one, see, plains are large and flat areas of land. What are plains? Plains are large and they are of flat areas. Okay. Now come to the next page. Rivers are natural streams of water. What are rivers? Rivers are natural streams of water. Okay. Next one, see, forests are densely covered with plants and trees. In forest you can see many plants and trees, tall trees or plants you can see in forest. Now come to the next page, page number 180. Listen children. See, these are the phases of moon. This is the full moon, half moon and crescent moon. See, when the moon is a full round, we call it full moon. When you see the shape of moon round like circle in the sky, it is known as full moon. This is the full moon. Why? The shape of moon is round. So it is called as full moon. Next, when we see half a moon, we call it half moon. Means see, when you see the shape of moon like this, it is known as half. And next one, when the moon looks like a slice of melon, we call it crescent moon. What is crescent moon? When we look the shape of moon like a slice of melon or any fruit, it is called as crescent moon. Means it is half, less than half. It is crescent moon. Is that clear? Full moon means round, half moon and crescent moon. See children, then we have no moon at all. This is called new moon. What is meant by new moon? When we have no moon at all, it is new moon. We do not see the moon at all on a new moon day. When a new moon day is there, we can't see moon. Got it? What is meant by new moon? When the moon is not there in the sky, it is known as new moon day. Children, now I will show you some phases of moon. Means how the shape of moon gets changes. See children, can you see here? These are the different shapes of moon. Means every day we can't see the same size of moon in the sky. Can you see here? This is the round moon, means full moon. Next here you can see this is half moon, and the upside you can see crescent moon, means the shape of moon is less than half. Is that clear? Listen children, we see the entire slides of the moon that faces the earth. Okay, do you understood the phases of moon? Phases means different shapes of moon. Now see next, clouds, lightning and thunder. The sky does not always look the same even during the day. Sometimes we see fluffy, white, cotton-like clouds. Like this, sometimes we can see the clouds in the sky. They sail across the sky with the wind. Now and then they block the sun. Sometimes the sky is covered with dark clouds. Suddenly the sky lights up with a flash of lightning, and we hear the loud noise of a thunder. If it starts to rain in no time, but when the sun comes up the rain, we are welcomed with a rainbow. Listen children, sometimes the sky is covered with dark clouds, means that is the cloudy day, and suddenly the sky lights up with a flash of lightning, and we hear the loud noise of a thunder. It starts to rain in no time. Suddenly when the black clouds gather in the sky, after some time rain starts. But when the sun comes up after the rain, we are welcomed with a rainbow. Have you ever seen the rainbow? Yes. So can you tell me which colors are there in rainbow? And how many colors are there in rainbow? Correct. There are 7 colors in rainbow. Can you tell me the names of those colors? Which colors are there in rainbow? Yes, there are 7 colors in rainbow. Which are those? Violet, then indigo, next orange, then blue, red, yellow and green. See children, these are the 7 colors in rainbow. Okay. See, the earth and the sky. We have learnt about earth and sky. Which planet do we live on? We all live on the planet Earth. The earth is covered with land and water. Means the most part of the earth surface is covered with water. That is 70% of the earth surface is covered with water, and the remaining part of the earth is covered with water. Land. On the land there are mountains, rivers, valleys, forests and plains. These are the landforms. Which are the landforms? Mountains, rivers, valleys, forests and plains. Next, what we have seen? Sky. About sky. The sky is open space above the earth. In the sky we can see the sun, the moon and the star. But we see the sun in the sky when? In the afternoon, and we see the moons and the stars at the sky, in the sky at night. Correct. Dark clouds bring rain. When the sun comes out after the rain, we can sometimes see a rainbow of 7 colors. Do you understood, children, what we have learned today? Okay. So children, today we will stop here and we will meet in the next session. Till that, take care. Bye.